Hi everyone, and thank you so much for joining me. My summer FabFitFun box came, so I'm really excited to go through it with you. It is humongous. I finally remembered to actually customize this box. If you watched my last video, I forgot, and it was a complete surprise. So we're gonna go through the box. I'm gonna show you what the customizations were. We're gonna explain a little bit about what the subscription is, then find out if this box was worth the money or not this time around. If you are new here, welcome. I'm Michelle. I enjoy lifestyle, makeup, skincare. I post videos every Friday morning at 8 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. If you haven't already subscribed, I would love it if you would. If you enjoy this type of content, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. If you're not familiar with FabFitFun, it is a subscription box service. They say that your box could be, depending on what your choices are, worth up to $300. It is a mix of beauty, wellness, fashion, fitness, home, and some tech items. And they offer two different subscription types. They have an annual and they have a seasonal membership. The seasonal is $54.99 per box. It's billed quarterly, and there are definitely some perks that come along with the seasonal box. You get up to 8 products per box. I believe it's 6 to 8. You get 4 customizations. So basically you get to choose 4 of the products that are in your box. You can cancel anytime. With the annual, you save a little bit of money. Basically, you're paying upfront for all 4 boxes. So it comes to $49.99 per box, but there's definitely some more perks. Again, you get up to 8 products per box, so 6 to 8. Again, you get to customize your entire box, so you can choose every item that's in your box. Annual members get to customize their box a few weeks earlier than the seasonal members do. You also get early access to some of the add-ons and some sales that they have. Your box is shipped earlier, obviously, because you're choosing it earlier, and you can still cancel anytime. Okay. So now that that's out of the way, we're gonna dig into my box. I am so excited to see what's in it. And after I go through the box, I'm gonna show you what the customizations were, and then we're gonna figure out the value of my box. Okay, so it is just a cardboard box, and when I open it up, inside you get $15 off your first FabFitFun box. This you can share with a friend. You also get adorable stickers. Every season they give you the cutest stickers. These are for the summer. They have the little cocktails on there and sunglasses. They are super cute. You also get a magazine, which is really nice. There's good articles in here. They go over some of the products and how to use them. And there's some great seasonal recipes in there. So obviously they change throughout the seasons. I love this magazine. That's a great bonus. I'm gonna put this on the floor just so we can see what is in it. I'm so excited because I vaguely remember what I chose. The first thing that I chose was the Indie Lee Lotion CoQ10. This is aloe vera, and it has hyaluronic acid in it, and this is just a toner. That's the box here. Wow, this is huge. 4.2 ounces. This is a really good sized bottle. This is much bigger than I thought it was. So basically this is just an aloe vera hyaluronic acid toner. It is a spray bottle, which is really nice. So when you get out of the shower or after you wash your face in the morning, you can just spray this on. I'm really excited to go ahead and use that. If in between your skincare you want to keep your skin moist, it's always great to spray a toner or just a type of facial mist just to keep your skin moist as you're layering on your skincare. I also have the Fenty Beauty Full Frontal Mascara. I'm not gonna open it because I don't plan on using it just yet. This is what the packaging looks like. I'll insert a picture of the brush so you can at least see what the brush looks like. So I'm really excited about that. As you can see, these are all full sizes. I have Milk and Honey Cuticle Oil. This is a huge cuticle oil. I have the worst cuticles and I am a picker, which is horrible. This is gigantic. This will last me forever. I'm just gonna go ahead and put it on right now and just see. It has a little dropper. Oh, this is nice. It does have a really light, clean scent. It's barely there. Oh, how nice is that? This is a 2.5 ounce, so that's really big. Oh, I'm so excited about that. I love oils. The next thing that I chose was this tray. Let's go ahead and open this. I thought this was great for summer. This is really cute. It's just a seagrass tray. The only thing I am noticing is there's no bars going across the bottom, so I don't think you could put anything heavy on this. But for decorative purposes or just using this for anything lightweight, if you want to put napkins or something lightweight on it, even maybe just some silverware, plasticware, if you're entertaining, I think it's really cute and pretty. This, I believe, was a surprise. We said that you can get a surprise in your box, so this I did not choose. This just says KO body scrubber. It's just a little silicone scrubber, which would help exfoliate your body. I don't think I'm going to use this for my body. This might work really well for my makeup brushes, to be honest with you. I like how there's just a ton there, so you can just use it to scrub your brushes, and I think they would come really clean. Really cute. I like the color. Next is a candle. This is Lasting Smiles Sea Salt and Citrus. I love candles. Anytime I have the option of choosing a candle, I pretty much will choose a candle. It's not a very big candle, but it's still really cute. It has a single wick. It has a very light citrus smell. Fragrance notes are grapefruit, sea salt, green. Is green even a smell? I don't even know how to pronounce these. The middle is gardenia, jasmine, and rose. The bottom notes are coconut, sandalwood, driftwood, and vanilla. And there are the notes right there that I cannot pronounce. Maybe you know exactly what these are, so I'll show you. But it does smell really good, but it's super, super light considering it has that much in it. I'm smelling the grapefruit, a little bit of the gardenia, and I definitely smell vanilla, but it's so, so subtle. This is really nice for the summer. Really excited about that. And last but not least, this was a huge box and not much in it. I got these stacking containers with lids. I love being neat and organized, so let's just see what these guys look like. I don't know if these are plastic, if they're glass. Oh, they're really cute. I love unboxing this with you. It's like Christmas. All right, let's see what these guys are. Oh, they're glass. Yes, they are glass. Oh, they're adorable. I love these. You can see that, super cute. And there's 2 of them. These are gonna be so nice. Oh my goodness, okay. You got the rubber stopper on the lid there. These would look adorable on your countertop. I just did a kitchen and home organization video, and I had some white canisters very similar to this with the bamboo top. These are adorable, love them. Definitely airtight, you can hear it. That is good to keep things nice and fresh. And that is it for everything that's in my box. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and check to see what the total of my box was, and then I'm gonna show you guys what the customizations were. The seagrass tray was worth $45. The mascara was worth $24. The cuticle nail oil was worth $17.95. Bonus surprise item, which was this little silicone mat here, it was $15. The stacking canisters are $35. The candle was $45. Wow, that's a lot. The Indie Lee CoQ10 toner was $36. So my box was a total of $217.95. It wasn't horrible. It definitely wasn't the $300, but I'm happy with it. So depending on what you choose, you can definitely maximize the cost of your box. These are just the things that I knew I would be using. I didn't want to pick things that I wouldn't use. There were quite a few items in there too that had been offered before, so I've either already chosen them. I kind of felt like my customizations were a little bit limited. I'm gonna go ahead and show you what the choices were if you were to completely customize your box. So your first customization, and this is for all members, you got to choose a Foxy Bay Rose Gold Blow Dryer. That was $189 value, so that was quite a bit. You get the IGK Legendary Dream Hair Shampoo and Conditioner. That was a $62 value. Samara Shoulder Bag in Peony, $125 value. So really a lot of these were pretty pricey, and you can definitely maximize your box. The Elemis Pro Collagen Night Cream, $100 value. The woven seagrass tray was only a $45 value. That's what I chose. Free People Seamless Bralette, $60 value. And the Society 6 outdoor blanket is a $60 value. I have gotten that in a previous box. I believe it was last year's box. Customization 2, again for all members. You can choose the First Aid Beauty Ingrown Hair Pads and Bump Eraser Body Scrub, $40 value. The stacking canisters, which I got, are only a $35 value. The Z Gallery Multi-Use Storage Duo, $45 value. Lily Pulitzer Lounge Towel, $47.95 value. Neoprene Beach Tote is an $80 value. And Scalp and Body Scrub, which is a $38 value. Customization 3, which again is all members. You can get the Kula Mineral Face SPF 30 Matte. That is a $32 value. The Tula Skincare Protect Daily Sunscreen, $36 values. The New Balance Ab Wheel, $29.99. The Dr. Brandt Skincare Do Not Age Time Defying Cream is $132 value. The Fenty Beauty Rihanna Volume and Lift Curl Mascara, $24 value. Cosmetics First Blush Brightening Acai Infused Shower Face Mask, that's a mouthful, $54. Bubble Bar and Sanctuary Project Build Your Own Necklace Clasp plus Extenders. Rose Serenity Necklace Bundle is $76. And the Guac and Salsa Bowls, which I've gotten in a previous box, are a $40 value. Next is Customization 4. Again, this is for all members. This is a Gel Sculpt Contour Outline Shadow or Silhouette Makeup Set, $32 value. Sea Salt and Citrus Candle, which is what I got, the $45 value. Wish Rose Hip and Lotus Firming Sleeping Mask, $58 value. Truly Clear and Gone Acne Patches, a $30 value. Tula Skincare Purifying Face Cleanser, $28 value. I actually got this in my last box, I think. I gave it to a friend because she uses it. Poolside Water Resistant Pouch, $35 value. And then the Customization 5 is for annual members only. So these are things you would have gotten to choose if you are an annual member. You get a desk mat for $29.99. You get Brain Teasers Activity Book Bundle Games and Puzzles for $26. Ahava Essential Daily Moisturizer, normal to dry skin, $69 value. Ahava Essential Daily Moisturizer Combination, $69 value. Grace and Stella Pink Eye Masks, $24 value. I love Grace and Stella. They are one of my favorite cleansing balms. Grace and Stella If Eyes Could Smile Cream, $35 value. And the Milk and Honey Cuticle Oil, which is $17.95. That's what I chose. So Customization 6, again, is just for annual members. This one had quite a bit of choices. The ABH Anastasia Beverly Hills Lipstick, $20 value. You can get the Rose Watch for $105. You can get a Sonics Bluetooth speaker for $45. That's fun for the summer. Virginia Woolf Multi-Wear Wrap, $60 value. Billion Dollar Brows Condition, Color, and Control Bundle, $63 value. Natura Hair Leave-In Conditioner, $27 value. The Fakai Technician Color Shampoo for $24. The Fakai Technician Conditioner for $24. And then the Indie CoQ10 Toner, which is what I got, for $36. Watermelon Dewy Setting Spray and Mind Tan Rapid Recovery After Sun Gel, $54.95 value. I have the After Sun Gel. I had gotten that in a previous box. And Exfoliating Body Polish Manicure Bundle, $58 value. So guys, that is it for my summer FabFitFun Box 2022. I'm so happy I got to share it with you. I think this season was okay. I don't think this is one of my best boxes. It's definitely still worth what I paid for the box, especially because you're getting full sizes. This cuticle oil is huge, and this toner is amazing. And I'm really happy with the stuff I got to choose. I just wish sometimes they would have more variety. I kind of wish they'd never repeated, that it was just always different. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. I love doing these kind of videos. The box came just last night. So first thing this morning, I wanted to go ahead and open it because I hadn't even opened it. So super exciting. So I hope you all have a wonderful day, and I will see you in my next video.